Heavy windstorm accompanied by dust has wreaked havoc in some communities of Mani local government area of KATSINA state. Worst affected is government secondary school, Jani, and some residential houses which were blown away. Abdullahi Yamadi reports that over 70 houses and properties worth millions of naira were destroyed in Jani, Yentakori, Mailaba, Makaranta, Makau, and Adamuz villages. The report.
Dozens of animals were said to have been killed by the windstorm. This elderly woman had a fracture while attempting to escape during the midnight windstorm in Jani village.
The breeze and the rain started. So when I enter house, before 10 minutes, 20 minutes, breeze take away my veranda, take away my house, and the water and the blocks from off come through my veranda in my house and then destroy my stepmother leg, and she get broken.
Many residents who are struggling to reconstruct their destroyed houses called on relevant authorities to assist them. They are saying the disaster came at a time when they are struggling with other basic necessities of life. Residents are also asking the state government to repair the affected portions of their secondary school before the school resumes next week. Other facilities affected are clinic and police outpost, among many others. It was very dark at night when the windstorm accompanied by dust started. I was trying to rescue some animals when a broken block hit my hand. It is very sad, unfortunate, and painful. The Mani Local Council Chairman Yunus Muhammad assured that the authorities have been contacted, adding that everything is being done to assist those affected.
Our own level also in the local government, we try to do all necessary that we can assist the situation, especially the community they are suffering. You can see some of them, their houses have been destroyed completely.
The affected residents who are visibly disturbed appealed for support in cushioning the effects of the incident on them. Abdullahi Yamadi, Trust Television News, KATSINA.